Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to edit video layers in FlexClip. On the editing page, hover over a video and click Add as Layer to place it on the canvas. You can add multiple video layers to the same screen. Once added, you'll see a variety of editing tools at the top of the canvas to customize your video layers. Click the Edit button to open multiple options on the left panel. Here, you can apply filters or adjust color grading to enhance your video. Under Advanced Options, you can blur the video, remove its background, edit based on text, or even generate suitable sound effects with AI. Click the loudspeaker icon to adjust the video's volume, reduce noise, separate vocals and background music, or detach audio from the video. You can also crop the video into different shapes, flip it, adjust opacity, and add borders or shadows. Click the Speed button to adjust the normal speed or use a custom curve. Click the Animation button to add motion effects to your video. If you want to replace a video layer, click the Replace button and select a new clip. On the canvas, you can drag to rearrange layers, adjust layer order, align them, lock specific layers, duplicate, or delete videos. To control timing, click the Timeline button. Here, you can adjust the duration of each video layer. Now, let's preview the result. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips in our video production series.